Hello friends, today I am back with one more important topic from analog electronics, that is frequency response of amplifier. So first of all, frequency response of amplifier is very important. For low frequency, for high frequency, there are certain variations in the response of amplifier. So if we have open loop gain A and feedback factor beta, and suppose FL is lower cutoff frequency, then after feedback this frequency will be reduced again, so FL divided by 1 plus A beta, and higher cutoff frequency after feedback is FH 1 plus A beta. So now one example from these formulas is an amplifier having open loop gain of 100 and FL is equal to 100 Hz, FH is equal to 100 kilohertz, beta is equal to 0.99, that is feedback factor. Then new lower and upper cutoff frequency of the amplifier will be what? This question is asked in GATE EC 1995. First of all, here given data is open loop gain is nothing but A is 100 given, FL is given 100 Hz, FH is given 100 kilohertz, feedback factor beta is given 0.99, and we are asked to find lower cutoff frequency after feedback and upper cutoff frequency after feedback. So after feedback, FL is equal to FL divided by 1 plus A beta. FL is 100, 100 divided by 1 plus A is 100 into beta 0.99. So it will be 100 divided by 1 plus 99, 100 divided by 100 is equal to 1 Hertz. So lower cutoff frequency after feedback is 1 Hertz, and to find upper cutoff frequency, FHF is equal to FH 1 plus A beta. Here FH is 100 kilohertz, A is 100, beta is 0.99. So it will be 100K 1 plus 99. So 100K into 100. So it will be 10 megahertz. So after feedback, upper cutoff frequency will increase and its value is 10 megahertz, and lower cutoff frequency will decrease and its value is 1 Hertz. FLF is equal to 1 Hertz and FHF is 10 megahertz. Now second question. These are very important formulas. When n stages of amplifier are cascaded, then upper cutoff frequency of n stage cascaded amplifier is denoted as FH star, and it is given as FH into bracket square root of 2 raised to 1 by n minus 1, where this n is number of stages, and lower cutoff frequency of n stage cascaded amplifier FL star is equal to FL divided by 2 raised to 1 by n minus 1. Here n is number of stages. Now this is one question based on these formulas. This question is asked in GATE EC 2002. Here frequency response of an amplifier is given. 3 identical RC coupled transistor amplifier are cascaded, each having frequency response as shown in above figure. So every amplifier in this cascaded configuration have this frequency response as shown in the figure. Find overall frequency response of cascaded. So first of all, here we will note down what is lower frequency. Lower cutoff frequency FL is for individual is 20 Hz, and for individual amplifier FH is 1 kilohertz from this figure, and n is equal to 3 as there are 3 stages are cascaded. Now FL star, that is the cutoff frequency, lower cutoff frequency of cascaded 3 stage amplifier FL star is equal to FL divided by root of 2 raised to 1 by n minus 1. Here the value of n is 3, so FL star will be FL divided by under root of 2 raised to 1 by 3 minus 1. FL is 20, so 20 divided by 2 raised to 1 by 3 minus 1. So its value will be 39.22 Hertz. FL star 39.22 Hertz, and to find FH star will be FH into bracket 2 raised to 1 by n minus 1 square root of. Here FH is 1 kilohertz, so 1 kilohertz 2 raised to 1 by 3 minus 1. So it will be 509.82 Hertz is FH star. Now we will draw the overall frequency response. This frequency for overall cascaded frequency response is 39.22 Hertz and this cascaded frequency is 509.82 Hertz. So this is overall cascaded response for given cascade configuration of N stage. So in this session we have seen 4 important formulas. First of all, when feedback factor and gain, open loop gain is given and lower cutoff frequency, higher cutoff frequency is given, then to find after feedback we will use these formulas FL divided by 1 plus A beta, and higher cutoff frequency after feedback is FH 1 plus A beta. These formulas are important. And in cascaded amplifier, upper cutoff frequency of N stage cascaded amplifier is denoted as FH star and given as FH into square root of 2 raised to 1 by n minus 1, where n is number of stages, and lower cutoff frequency of N stage cascaded amplifier is FL star, that is FL divided by square root of 2 raised to 1 by n minus 1, where n is number of stages. And 2 examples. One example is based on this formula and one example is based on these formulas. So these are examples which are very important, asked for 2 marks in GATE exam. For more such videos, please subscribe my channel. I will try to cover one concept and questions asked in GATE exam in previous years. Thank you for watching.